Hi to all my Form 5 students. I am Teacher Ng from SMK HORLEY Methodist. Today, teacher will bring you to KSSM Form 5 Mathematics, Topic 5, that is 5.1 Congruency. So, our learning standards are 5.1.1, differentiate between congruent and non-congruent shapes based on sides and angles. 5.1.2, make and verify the conjecture of triangles congruency based on sides and angles. Okay, students, what is the meaning of congruency? Okay, congruence means that must have the same size and also same shape. Now, look at the X, Y, Z. Okay, so even though their arrangement are not same, you see the arrangement are not same. This one, X and Y, they are totally inverse. While Y and Z, okay, the Y may be turned and they will become Z. Okay, so even though their arrangement are not the same, okay, and the position also not the same, but you see carefully, X, Y, Z, they have the same shape, and then the size also exactly the same. So we can say that X, Y, Z, they are congruent shapes. So students, in details, the congruent shapes must fulfill these two properties as below. Number 1, has the same corresponding sides. Number 2, has the same corresponding angles. Now, here given are the two shapes. Are they congruent? So we must check their properties of corresponding sides. So from the corresponding sides, we find that AB equals to RQ, BC equals to QP, CD equals to PS, AD equals to RS. All the corresponding sides are the same. And then now we check to the corresponding angles. Angle A same with angle R, angle B same with angle Q, angle C same with angle P, angle D same with angle S. So we can say that because they are fulfill these two properties, so these are congruent shapes. Now students, we look at example 1, that is determine the shapes below are congruent or not. So let's see the first triangle. And then we got 5 cm here, 12 cm. So we can find the CB line based on the Pythagoras theorem. So from here, I can find CB is square root of 5 square plus 12 square. So after square root, I get the answer of 13 cm. And here I already have all the angles. So now let us see this triangle. So triangle R. We can find out by using the total of triangle 180 degree minus 90 degree here, and then minus 22.6 degree here. So the balance is 67.4 degree. This is for our angle R. So now students, we check one by one the corresponding sides. So we find that AB is equals to PR is equal to 5 cm. And then AC equals to PQ equals to 12 cm. While CB equals to RQ equals to 13 cm. Meaning that from here we can see that all the corresponding sides, they are the same. So now we check the angle. So angle A same with angle P. And then angle B same with angle R. And then angle C same with angle Q. So we notice that all the same. So we can say that all the corresponding angles are same. So our conclusion is ABC and PQR are congruent because they fulfill these two properties. Next is example 2. Determine the shapes below are congruent or not. So we have to check all the sides and angles. So these two lengths are the same, HCM, HCM. So if here are equal length, so the angles are equal to 70, 70. So what is the angle C? The angle C, we can taking the total 180 degree minus this 70 degree and also minus this 70 degree, and then I will get the balance is 40 degree. So angle C here is 40 degree. Now look at this triangle. This one got double line, means that they are same. HCM, HCM. So how about Q and R? Because they are same length here, means their angles are the same. So find out Q angles are 180 degree, the total, minus the 50 degree here, and then divided by 2. Because these two angles are the same, so divided by 2. And then we will get 65 degree. Okay, so we check the angles. So the angles here is 40. Okay, the corresponding angle here is 40, but the corresponding angle here is 50 degree on. So they are not same angles. So as a conclusion, the corresponding angles are not the same. So the shapes are not congruent. Students, now we focus on the congruency of triangles. Now, how to show that the two congruent triangles? Actually, we can use the 6th rule as below. That is side, 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 SSS, side angle side, SAS, angle side angle, ASA, angle angle side, AAS, angle angle angle, AAA, and the last one is side side angle, SSA. Now we look at the first one, that is side side side, SSS, meaning that three sides are respectively equal. For example, two examples here. You will notice that it will give you all the three sides here, and then these three sides are equal. That is HCM, HCM, 7cm, 7cm, 5cm, 5cm. So means that they are equal in size. So S, S, S. So it is show that they are congruent triangles. Now we look at the second one, that is side angle side, SAS. SAS means that in between of these two sides, okay, in between of these two sides got one angle here, and then they are equal. SAS, they are equal. So now look at this example. Okay, this example. So if you see clearly, we can show these triangles are congruent because we got S here, okay, S here, and then this one is angle is A, this one is angle is A, and also 4cm, 4cm is side, side S. So it already equal in side angle side. So SAS. So from the SAS, we can show that they are congruent. Number 3, angle side angle, ASA, meaning that two angles and then in between them is the side. Angle side angle, they are equal. For example, okay, look at this. 100 degree is stand for angle, 4cm is stand for side S, and then 30 degree is stand for angle. If we see both of these triangles, we notice that their angle, side angle, angle, side angle, they are all the same. So we can show that it is already congruent. You see number 4, angle, angle, side, AAS. So means that angle, angle, side. So example, 100 degree is angle, 60 degree here is angle, and then 10 cm here is S. So when we check out these two triangle angles, they are equal. They are equal in terms of angle, angle, size. Angle, angle, size. AAS. So it already shows that they are Rules number 5, angle, angle, angle. AAA means that all these three angles, they are respectively equal. And then rule number 6, that is side, sides angle. SSA means that here is S, side, and then here is S, side, and then this angle A. SSA. So now look at this example. 5 cm is stand for side, 8 cm is stand for S, and then 40 degree is stand for angle A. So if you see these two triangles, okay, they are equal in side 8 cm, and then side 5 cm, and then the angle 40 degree A. They are all equal in terms of SSA. So we can show that they are congruent. Students, we already know that all the triangle congruency rules, that 6 rules. Now let's answer questions number 1. Triangle ABC is congruent with PQR. State the triangle congruency rules if given. Okay, so let's see now. AB equals to PQ. So AB here is equals to PQ. Okay, so this one is considered a side. And then BC equals to QR. BC equals to QR, also considered a side. And then AC equals to PR. So AC equals to PR. So we can know that all the sides are equal. So what is this? It is side, side, side rules. Okay, or SSS. Okay, now we see B. AB equals to PQ. So you see AB is here, is equals to PQ. Okay, so this is the side. So you see the second one, angle ABC, means that this one is angle B. So angle B, same with angle PQR, means that angle Q. So here is the angle A. Okay, and then we see angle BAC, means that angle A is here. Same with angle PQPR, so means the angle P. So this is the angle. So if you see clearly, okay, what is this rule? There is rule of ASA, angle, side angle, or ASA rule. Students, now we look at question 2. In the diagram on the right, the lines AB and DE are parallel. BE and AD are straight lines. C is the midpoint of AD, shows that triangles ABC and DEC are congruent. So now, students, look at the information given. AB and DE are parallel. So, means that in this parallel line, it can form a Z shape like this, parallel. So, in this Z shape, so the two angles are the same. So, angles is A. They are equal in angles. And then BE and AD are straight line. So when we say AD here and BE are straight line, the opposite angle are the same. So this angle, same with this angle. So this one angle also we write as A angle. And then we go to the last one. C is the midpoint of AD. So C is the midpoint, means that C in the middle, and then the middle, and it will cut into two equal parts. So AC here is equal to CD here. Okay, so the sides are same. So S. So now we just look at one of them, one of the triangle. So we can see very clearly that it's obey the angle, side rules. Angle, side rule, or you see AS. Students, now we reach until the last part of this subtopic, that is problem solving involving congruency. Let's see the questions. Mujahideen divided his rectangular land into two congruent sections. The sections is L shape, as shown in the diagram on the right. Now calculate the perimeter in meter of each of the section of the land. So now we have to find all the length first. Okay, so this is 20. The corresponding side is here, 20. And then this one is 18. The corresponding side is here, 18. And then we can find out this one. We can find out this one by adding total up 18 and 18 here, total up is 36 meter. So how about this length? This length we can total up by 20 and then 50. So total is 70. So this length is also corresponding side is here. So here also 70. And then this is 36 because this is rectangle. So if this is 36, here also 36. Now look at the questions. The questions want the perimeter. So the perimeter means that the total length of the sides. So we must total all the length of this L shape. Okay. So now let us see what is the solutions. So perimeter is 20 meter here, plus with 18, plus with 50, plus with 18, and then plus with this 70, and then plus with this 36. So the total is 212 meter. And then we see the B. Calculate the area in meter square of each section of the land. It wants the area of the L shape. So the area of the L shape, we can divide it by two parts. Okay, so we have to divide it into two parts here. So these parts, okay, I will show as area 1, A1, area 1. And then this part, I will show it as area 2. Okay, so how to find out the area? The area of the rectangle A1 is length times width. Same with this one also, A2 is also rectangle, so length times width. So now we check the answer. The area 1 is 20 times 36 is 720. Area 2 is 50 times 18, so it's 900. So when you total up area of each sections of the land, total up, you will get 1,620 meters square.